In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on your DEEBOT Ecovacs robot vacuum. And the very first thing I want to do before I start is say, just to be careful, because it is a battery. Yours may be dead, but still be safe. I'm going to hold this to turn the power off. And then on the side, I'll turn this off. And then if you flip it over, this also is a model DN622. It also is sometimes referred to as an N79, but this should work the same way for different models. The battery is located right under this cover. You have to remove 2 Phillips screws right here. So we'll take those out with a screwdriver. Now we can just lift this cover up, pull it out like that. Here's your battery. It has 2 tabs right here that you can pull it out. And then right here, the connection, you just push down on this and that'll release a tab right here. And then you can grab this and pull it right out. Make sure you recycle it, do the right thing, and then you could take your new battery, line it up right here, same way. It'll snap in, make sure it's in there good, and then install it so that these are up. Just like that, make sure it sits in there. Then you can put the cover back on. These 2 tabs go like this. Reinstall those screws. And that is it. And then obviously you just want to turn it on, make sure it's working. You should be good to go. So if you needed to change the battery, I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.